Mid Nollywood actresses who have striking resemblance with their mothers. Hello my favorite people, welcome back to my channel. Una dey new, una welcome. Una dey old, una super duper welcome. Alright, me una help me check below. Una see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. My great people, now I tell una say I go show una Nollywood actresses them where their mama photocopy then keep. The first person here today for this my Ogbonge list na Chika Ike. Una they see the resemblance? Una they see the resemblance from the shares you to the face you to everything. Alright, so my great people, I say una know say Chika Ike na Nollywood actress, television personality, producer, businesswoman, philanthropist, and even former model. They've been born am for 8 October 1985 for inside Lagos, and now she be 34 years. Her mama, na late Evangelist Chinyere F.E.K. She don't buy my correct people them for April 5th, 2016. At the age of 58 years old. Now, wow. Make her soul rest in peace, yo. At least she don't photocopy herself, keep for planet Earth, and then her daughter is representing her well. Yes, so I know say anywhere where she dey, her belle go dey sweet because of say her photocopy the planet Earth. Alright, so my correct people, there another person again will resemble the mama like say tomorrow no day na turn to DK. This one I own too much. Wetin dey happen to Shele, wetin dey pa? My correct people don't know say turn to DK na Nollywood actress, musician, producer, and even television personality. Now she don't even enter politics, no be small thing, and she be carbon copy of her mama, Mrs. Veronica DK. Mrs. Veronica DK kpai early, my correct people them. She kpai about 30 years ago for September 9th. 1989. My correct people during that time turned to still be small baby girl. My correct people them turned to DK mostly grow up with her papa because her mama kpai very early. May her soul rest in peace. My correct people them, the photo of Tonto DK and her mama, we even fit spot the difference. For where? You no go fit, you no go fit. You get one time we be say Tonto DK compare her mama one touching tribute. No be small, the tribute touch my heart, no be small. I say, yeah, this your mama will photocopy you like this. She for there now. For there, see the kind strong woman where you don't be. See the king where you don't become. A king raising another king. Wow. Wow, it's well, but I know say anywhere where her mama dey now, she go dey happy. So I tell her na impact pass. My daughter is making me proud. That is the most important thing. Alright, so my correct people them, we'll move to the next person. The next person now, Nollywood actress where then they call and say Destiny Etiko. You wanna see her mama face, forget the week, you will not say yes. Destiny Etiko na real photocopy of her mama, the facial structure and everything. My great people wanna know say Destiny Etiko na popular Nollywood actress, television personality, very beautiful Nollywood actress who they know her for her curves. Yes, so drama doll with her curvy body. The Nollywood actress Destiny Etiko wanna know say we not surprise her mama with house. So for inside December 2018. For Enugu as her birthday gift. My correct people them, the Nollywood actress look like her mama like say tomorrow no day. Although her papa don't buy my correct people them wish her Nollywood actresses they follow her go do a Ogbonge burial, but her mama still there alive and I'm happy. Yes, so which the day parents supposed day may they enjoy the fruit of their labor because easy at all. Well, Congrats for Destiny Tiko for caring for your mother for putting a roof over her head that's just what we are supposed to be doing for our parents. All right, so my correct people them. Now so the level be her mama too don't follow photocopy herself keep like the facial structure. Forget all this makeup we go do, we go change our face. Look Destiny Tiko without makeup, you go know say she be the carbon copy of her mother. All those her cheekbones, like all those her features na her mama she carry. Another person again una dey see resemblance. Mercy Ayebe and her mama una dey see resemblance. My correct people dem, una know say Mercy Ayebe na popular Nollywood actress, producer, television personality wey look like her mother Abisola Grace Owaduni. With small thing, the Nollywood diva and entrepreneur Mercy Ayebe bin don confess say she buy car when she been dey school, come lie to the mama say she win am for beauty pageant. Hey, this girl, I mean a woman na gboro. Hey, no be small thing for you to know say the mama bin be a disciplinarian. Yes, so Mercy Ayebe mama from Benin City, Edo State, and she be businesswoman. The resemblance between both of them is just on another level. The thing dey so striking. We be say if anybody see the woman anywhere, you go know say at all na Mercy mama be this. Alright, so my correct people them, and even if person see Mercy anywhere, if you see them anywhere, you no need to ask say who be the mama, who be the pikin. You go just know say na the mama be this. Wow. That means say Mercy Ayebe, even if she grow, she will still dey beautiful. So the mama don't grow finish and she still beautiful. Like say tomorrow no day. Now we don't see where you carry this your baby face from, where you carry this your beauty from. Alright, so my correct people, the next person for my list na Ini Edo. Yes, so Nollywood actress Ini Edo, we don't see finish where you carry this your beauty or more. See how she resemble her mama. Hey, now wow, wetin dey happen for Nollywood? Why all of una mama photocopy of una like this? Alright, so correct people them una know say if I say Nollywood actress Ini Edo na one of the most beautiful actress, I no lie you. And one thing I like about her now the way she don't maintain this her melanin beauty despite all the bleachy cream where they rain up and down, they fly everywhere. She has been able to maintain her color. Now it make me even like her pass. So Ini Edo look like her mama well. Don't share lovely pictures of her mother many times for social media, and she'd always talk for interviews say her mama na her comforter and also her role model. And above all, her mama they always stand by her side in times of challenges. Alright, so my correct people, I want to know say Nollywood actress Ini Edo from Akwa Ibom State, Ibibio. Yes, so to be precise, my correct people them no be small thing her mother been be teacher and then her father na church elders. Now so they come bring her up strictly, and she be second of 4 children, 3 girls, 1 boy. She come attend one school where they call and say Cornelia College, we did for Uyo. She can graduate from University of Uyo with diploma, then can go further for University of Calabar where she can get BSc for English. No wonder she be speak English like say tomorrow no day. So now she say her parents they try for her well no be just the resemblance alone, but they go extra mile for her. Alright, so my correct people them no be small thing or the next person here now Regina Daniels, where she and her mama they be like twins. Regina Daniels na teen actress where the mama don introduction put for Nollywood when she be still dey small, and I dey very happy say Regina they make her mother proud in many ways. My correct people dem wanna know say Regina Daniels too now also wife to a billionaire where they call her say Nen Woko, and she don't be mother of 1 now. My correct people dem no be small thing yo. They say follow who no road the mama no road
although she was not too famous being an actress, but she come introduction her pikin with the pikin come wear fame like agbada. My correct people dem, I dey happy say the mother don dey reap the fruit of her labor because Regina Daniels don buy the mama house. No be small thing yo. That is good though. May God continue to dey give our parents long life and prosperity so that all na bad pass they go continue to the enjoymentation us. Alright, so my correct people, the next person here na Chacha Ike. Una dey see resemblance? Una dey see am? Una dey see the nose? Una dey see? Alright, so my correct people them, una know say Chacha Ike na one Hollywood actress wey carry talent like say tomorrow no dey. No be small thing no. Na so she look exactly like her mama. Na so she dey like to dey post her mama every time for social media. They talk kind words about her mama. My correct people them, no be small thing yo. Yes, so Nollywood actress Chacha Ike bin don dey depression scene for some time, where at some point she could even say na bipolar or go this one that one. Now recently she go give testimony for church. He say na attack from the pit of hell, but Baba God don deliver her and she don bounce back stronger and even more beautiful after 4 children where God don't bless her with. Alright, so my correct people them, na so my correct people them, na in Chacha take photocopy. I been at the mama photocopy her. Well, congrats to them. Now the next person for my list where I want touch light now, Annie Idibia and her mama. Yes, so my correct people them, she no be her biological mother, but Annie Idibia love her like her mother, and even the woman too love Annie too like her daughter. My correct people them no be small thing yo. Annie Idibia dey always post pictures about her, talk sweet things about her, say na her mama, this one, that one. But the level there be say mama no be only person wey born person for nyash, na person wey care for the person. So my correct people them, Annie Idibia una know say na actress and also wife to a popular legendary musician wey they call and say Two-Face Idibia. Annie Idibia and her mother, they look beautiful and adorable. No be small thing no. And Annie no dey joke to dey share picture of she and her mama for social media. And so she like her like say tomorrow and even next tomorrow no day. But I been don watch video where she talks say no be her biological mama, but na person wey care for her, say can like pikin, and na she be her mother now. Alright, so my correct people them, my own joy be say when mothers they suffer, may they follow sit down, enjoy the fruits of their labor. So now na Genevieve, when they see the lips, when they see the nose, now wow. My correct people them, popular Nollywood actress Genevieve, wey be producer, entrepreneur and television personality. No be news again no. Say Genevieve and her mama they resemble like say tomorrow no day. Her mama wey be person of Benedicta Nnaji. So she take photocopy her daughter Genevieve like say tomorrow no day. She's looking so beautiful, just as beautiful as her mama, ageless beauty. Now wow, I beg you will cut soap for us, you will cut soap for us. Which kind thing? Alright, so my correct people them, over to the next person where they call and say Chizzy Alechi. My correct people them, people they always mistake Chizzy, say she from Enugu, but many people don't correct me. They say na Ebonyi State, na she from, but she school for Enugu. Wow. My correct people them, when I know say Chizzy Alechi just come out like that, though, boom, before you know, now so she can't capture many people attention. Now so people can't like her, like say tomorrow no day. We will say today you feel count her as one of the most celebrated actress for inside Hollywood. My correct people then they born on 23rd December 1993 for Enugu, when they call and say Coal City. So Nollywood actress will be 27 years. Now she be the last born of her family of 3 siblings. and her parents na Mr. and Mrs. Alexander Alichi, and her major source of income of inspiration, according to her. And na so she can resemble her mama, See the face, see the cheek, see the mouth, everything. The mama just photocopy and like this, bap, keep for one corner. My great people, there, thank you so much for watching. Una stay beautiful, Mona. Bye.